Okay, I don't do this very often, but I am now starting to see a need to do this because it's shit like this that has to stop. Okay, these grocery warehouses, they act like they're gods of some sort. Okay, here I am at Aldi's food distribution in Frederick, Maryland. I have a 2 o'clock appointment on my GPS. This is where it is located on Gas House Pike. And you see it is 2:44. 2:44. And I'm sitting in line practically out in the street waiting to get in so I can check in. This is not making any sense. It's not making any sense at all. And they're the first one that don't want to pay your delay for your delay fees of such for shit like this. If it's 2:44 and I got a 2 o'clock appointment, why am I sitting in line with all of these trucks? Why? Like, their time is the only time that's important. The truck drivers out here today need to know and understand you have a monopoly. You have the upper hand on this shit. It's drivers that can stop shit like this from happening. Okay? Simply by just not doing it. You can't take this freight in a timely manner, turn around and dump that shit in the fucking street and let them come pick it up there.